it's me, Sweetie, and thank you for being here for another video. So today I've got on an extra comfy sweater and I have you zoomed in a little further because today it's full-on pajamas down here. One of you guys mentioned that I looked like Mabel from Gravity Falls in a previous video, and if this sweatshirt doesn't come across as Mabel from Gravity Falls, I don't know what else will. But as you can probably tell from my overall appearance, I just wanted to be comfortable and relaxed today. I think it's really a combination of the weather going on and I've been working really hard on the channel, so today I just wanted to take some time for self-care. And my absolute favorite way to do self-care is with some lovely bath products. And my favorite place to shop for bath products is Lush. I'm quite sure most of you have heard of Lush, but if you haven't, they are a great retailer. They make bath and body products, makeup. It's all made from organic materials or safe synthetics as they call them, and they work to fight against animal testing in the cosmetic industry. But most fun for me is that their products are super creative and colorful and fun, and they smell amazing. Even just now as I'm holding the bag, the smells are like wafting up into my face, and it's beautiful. So in today's video, I wanted to do a little Lush haul with you guys and show you my go-to Kawaii items that I buy from them. So I did do a little bit of filming inside of Lush so I could take you guys with me and show you what I shopped for. So come along and take a look at what I bought. So we're back, we have the items, and now I want to tell you a little bit about why I love each of these products so much. So first up are my absolute favorite products from Lush, their bath bombs. I feel like so many retailers, like any kind of grocery store chain, has bath bombs these days, but for me, really nothing beats Lush. So here I have some of my go-to classics and also a new one that I have never tried before. So this one right here is probably my most favorite out of any of the bath bombs. This is their Sex Bomb. Just look at, oh, I lost a bit. Look at how pretty the colors are though. So as you can see, it has a little rose in the middle here, and it does disintegrate in the water as well with the rest of the bath bomb. But before it disintegrates, it does float around the tub, and it's just so pretty. The main scent of this bath bomb is actually my favorite scent, which is jasmine. It also has really nice undertones of sage and ylang ylang, and soy flower as well, which is a great soother for your skin. I would really describe the scent of this bath bomb as romantic. So if your bathtub is big enough to share with a partner, I think it would be great for that. And it's just as lovely to pamper yourself with as well. Now this next one I believe was supposed to be just a limited edition bath bomb for Valentine's Day, but it's the little peach bath bomb that is modeled after the peach emoji. I think it's so cute. The colors are so vibrant. I love that they did the orange and it gradients down into the pink at the bottom. It also really reminds me of Animal Crossing. So I love to put this in the bath and bring my Switch with me as well so I can play Animal Crossing while enjoying my little peach bath bomb. The peachy bath bomb is obviously made with peach juice, but it also contains grapefruit oil and Davana oil. It's a very fruity smell, but not super overpowering, and the color is really beautiful too. I think this next one goes super perfectly with what I'm wearing today. This is their Groovy Kind of Love bath bomb, and it's obviously super cute and great for all you kawaii pastel people out there. Now, I believe this is part of their main collection, so I don't think it's limited time or that it will be going anywhere soon. So if you go into Lush, please make sure you try this one. The colors are gorgeous. The name Groovy Kind of Love is very appropriate. Obviously, the colors are super bright and rainbowy, but the smell is really herbal in a sense. It has rosewood, bergamot, and ylang ylang oils, and it has a very peaceful, calming smell to it. So this is the last bath bomb I got, and it is a new one that I have never tried before. Look at how adorable it is, this pretty blue color with the clouds on it, and this is called their Atom Heart Mother Bath Bomb. What I really love about Lush bath bombs, besides the fact that they smell good, they make my skin soft, and they're beautiful, is that a lot of the times the bath bombs themselves will almost tell like a story or have a really strong theme to them. With like the name and the colors and the scents, it's really such like a creative work of art in this little bath bomb. There are a lot of interesting scent notes like bergamot, Brazilian orange, and neroli oils, as well as rose, orange flower, and green apple as well. This bath bomb is supposed to represent a time lapse of a summer's day. I think that bath bomb is so beautiful, however it is limited edition, so if you would like to get your hands on it as well, act fast. So that's it for the bath bombs. I do have a few more products that I would like to show you guys though. So I have one more item here that is great for bath time, and that's going to be one of their bubble bars. So this is their Sleepy Bubble Bar. So cute, shaped like a cloud, of course. Now the scent is lavender along with the rest of their Sleepy collection, which I love. And it also has ylang ylang oil as well, so it's nice and floral. Oh, it's actually melting in my hand right now, so let me put it back. So as you can probably tell from the name Bubble Bar, that is a bar you can use to make bubbles in your bath. Now it does melt away under the water, so if you handle it for a little bit too long, the heat from your hands will start to melt it away, so handle carefully. But what I love about the bubble bars is you can just break off a little bit as much as you want every time. You don't have to use the whole bar in one go, so it can last over several baths. As I mentioned, this has lavender and ylang ylang oil, so the smell is so beautiful and calming, and it also contains cornstarch to soften the water and your skin. Moving on, I have just a couple more items to show you guys. And these are more just like general self-care bath and body items. So this is a super fun product that I have just recently started picking up from Lush, and that is their Twilight Shower Jelly. Now this is a soap, but it is a super fun and interesting take on your normal kind of shower gel. And that is because it is a jelly. Yes, it is actually like a little wiggly jello guy. I also love the colors. It's like purple and blue, like the night sky. Smells great too. Now let me see if I can get it back in here. But yeah, so you can just use this like a regular soap. You can like lather it up in your hands, or you can just like jelly yourself all over your body. Smells amazing, makes your skin super smooth and soft, and it's just really fun to use. And last but not least, probably out of all these items, one of the most important things that I get the most use out of, which is a lip scrub. This is their Unicorn Lip Scrub. It has two different colors on the inside. The top is blue, and you can see the bottom is like this pink color. And it is plum scented. I feel like plum is a really underrated fruit, so I'm glad it has representation in this lip scrub. So this is a sugar scrub, and it also has popping candy in it. And because it is made of sugar and the products are all safe, when you're done scrubbing your lips, you can actually lick some of it off if you want a sweet snack. But this is super important for me to use pretty much every time I wear makeup. I wear a lot of liquid lipsticks just so that it stays on throughout the day while I'm either filming or going out in Lolita, and it can get very drying for your lips. So after I remove my makeup, I love using this scrub to just get off the layers of like dead skin on my lips, and it is insane how much of a difference it makes. Like when I'm smiling, I can tell the difference of before and after, because before my lips feel like really tight and it's like I can feel the dead skin just like on there, and afterwards my lips are super soft and I can't feel the dead skin anymore, which is a great feeling. And it also tastes really good and it's fun, so no complaints here. If you have been wearing a liquid lip of any kind and you have never tried a lip scrub, please try it. It feels amazing and the results are great. Well, we've gone through the haul, guys. Thank you so much for spending some time with me on my channel today. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of my favorite products from Lush, and if you've never tried them, I hope you will be inspired to do so. And now that the haul is done, I'm going to take some of these products and enjoy a nice relaxing day. I hope you guys also have a nice relaxing day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!